Oh no, don't broke it. Don't broke it.
Oh, you did it. Told you. I told you were going to break it. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is early. We just woke up. I'm coming at you guys with the weekend vlog. We just woke up. Well, let me correct you. Say hey, vlog. Gabe, say hey, vlog.
Hey, vlog.
You got some friends? Oh, I got ambulance, recycle truck, fire truck. Gabriel woke us up at 6:30. I rolled back over, slept until 7:30. And now it's 8:20, and we're downstairs about to get ready for breakfast. So today's vlog, or this vlog, is going to be kind of showing you guys our Saturday in, because we're staying in. Yeah, so this vlog is kind of showing you guys our Saturday in. And then, sorry, I'm so tired. I haven't even had coffee yet. And then tomorrow, we're actually going to the monster trucks. They're here at the Royal Farms Arena. So we're gonna go there. And that's gonna be super cool. My first time going, Gabriel's first time going. So I'm about to cook breakfast. I'm actually about to make myself some coffee, then cook breakfast because I need coffee. Hey y'all, what's up? We back. So let me catch you up on what we've been doing today. I'm about to get Gabriel a snack. But this is what the place looks like right now. Okay. So Gabriel asked to have the ball pit out. So I just put some balls in there and he is playing, and you can see his tablet is buried somewhere. I'm watching DDG and Riley. Actually, let me pause it. We still got breakfast on the table. We're crazy. Don't judge me. So you guys know at daycare they make art activity every day. And so I've been keeping all of Gabriel's art activities ever since he started doing art activities like around 1-ish. So I just had a whole bunch of them, and I need to figure out like what to do with them because I want to keep them. Of course, I've thrown some of them away, you know, like just like some of the scribbled coloring pages and stuff that just, you know, wasn't necessary to keep. But I've kept a whole lot. This isn't all of it. There's still some upstairs because the ones that are on construction paper can't fit in these sheets. So I have to figure out what to do with them. And those are like the nicer, like more detailed crafts. Because you need help? Let me see. Gabe, you broke it. He got Mommy, I tried to. Gabe, it's broken. So yeah, anyway, this is what I've been doing. Just trying to put them in here to organize them. I'm taking a break though to get snacks. Baby, today's epitome of a mom life day. Trying to do things and spend time with Gabriel while he's up. Sorry, I'm gonna try to like sit where the glare is so that you guys won't see much of the glare behind me. But this spot right here has the best lighting. Yeah, this is the epitome of a mom life day. Doing things while Gabriel is up, trying to get things done but still like be interactive with him and spend time with him. I'm putting him down to nap, trying to get more things done. But I decided to come and do a sit down with you guys and just show you guys some of the things I picked up in the past few weeks. I went on shopping, just trying to get a jump start on like summer things, pick up a couple pieces that I needed, and then getting some stuff for Gabriel, because if you guys know, kids grow out of things often. So last summer Gabriel was in 2T, and this summer he's in 3T, so I'm stocking up on a lot of 3T things. Where do I start? let's start with Urban Outfitters. I'll do a clip in because I did forget to pick up one thing, and Gabriel's upstairs sleeping and I don't even want to go in there to bother him. But I picked up a pair of mom jeans and I really love them. Actually, this is my first pair of Urban Outfitters jeans and I'm hooked. I actually got it. Everything I got from Urban Outfitters, I used a coupon code because it was like the President's Day sale. That's right. So like I said, everything I got off was on President's sale. That's my mom tip. I'm going to the Billie Eilish concert. I'm so pumped. I haven't talked about it. I haven't, because you guys do not know of my love for Billie Eilish. I'm going to her concert and so I wanted something Billie-ish. So I picked up this and it's massive. It's one size fit all and it's supposed to be a dress. Definitely see myself wearing this in the summer with bicycle shorts, but for the concert and it's cold, like I'm gonna have to figure out. I love these sweatpants. They feel so soft. They're not as baggy as I thought. I got the medium to large one, and it's because I have hips. They definitely show the hips where I wanted it to just be a little bit more baggier. But I really like them. I'm keeping them. They're so soft and comfy, and I can just see me rocking this in the summer. Picked up some things from ASOS. I picked up this shirt that I'm like freaking in love with, and I'm wearing it tomorrow. Well, I plan on wearing it tomorrow. It's this Collision shirt. It has this highlighter green Collision logo on it, and like this marbleized type of shirt. These shorts are actually super huge. Like, you guys will see it on me. They're super huge. I thought that would be cute for me to just throw on and run out. And the last t-shirt I got was this one. This is sick. Okay, it looks so freaking trippy. Two more things I got for myself. This is really cute dress. It kind of reminds me of like a robe vibe. Really cute dress. I had this stripe and floral print. I love floral. I love a floral print pattern. When my mom saw these two dresses, she was like, "You like dressing like a grandma, huh?" Yes, I do. I definitely can tell why she said grandma vibes, but I just really like the print. So May. And then I bought this one, which I definitely have to show you it on, because it just looks like nothing. But it's a wrap dress, so like the dress is open, but you have to like wear it to wrap it. I was contemplating like this, like you have to wrap it to wear it. Wow, like this. All right, so that's it with me. Let's show you what I got for Gabriel, because I don't want to be this too long. I don't want this to be too long. We got lots of stuff to show you guys this weekend. The first thing I saw was this pair of Adidas sweatpants, little jogger pants. So they have the closed-in ankle at the bottom. These are definitely big. He can't fit them yet. They were originally $32, and I got them, I believe it's from Burlington, because I'm just looking at the tag, like it looks familiar. I got them for $9.99. And then the other thing that I picked up for him from that store is just this little set here, which I thought was cute. This one was also $9.99 in a 3T, and it comes with this nice little printed pant, and printed button-up shirt, short sleeve shirt, and then some basic khaki pants. Then the rest of the things I got him are all from Target. So I picked up these skinny jeans. He actually has these jeans right now in the 2T, but I love them. I really love them. They give a little bit of style to a jean because of this little ribbed print here, and they look so cute on him. So I just picked these up. I picked up these little cute lightweight pants too that just say fun all around it. So since we're doing pants, I just picked up some shorts that he can just I can easily throw on for daycare. And then we got one that's like more of a green blue color. The Army Fatigue camouflage Army Fatigue ones here, and then some basic jeans ones with the cuff at the bottom, and these are nice and stretchy. I love to get my pants from Target because they all have the little adjustables in the inside. The jeans for sure do, or they have the actual usable drawstring. Baby companies, toddler companies, clothing companies, oh, A, sponsor me, but two, can you make drawstrings or adjustables in every pant, please? Thank you. I got some shirts, because I don't want to be too long. I got stuff to do. I got some shirts. I got this really cute shirt. It's just a basic green shirt, but it has this like rocket ship blasting off on here. He's really into rocket ships and counting down and saying blast off. So I thought this was very cute and appropriate. For him, also picked up just this little basic one. I thought it was cute because like everything is just quirky and different. So 2 different color sleeves and then this cute little pocket. Just a basic top. I got this short sleeve shirt for him. This is vacay all day, and then on here it actually feels like that velvety you can felt like feel. I got this one Oshkosh shirt. Even though this is a summer haul, I got this shirt just because I thought, one, it gives me Freddy vibes. I don't know why, like Freddy, a serial killer. Oh, is it Blue's Clues? I don't know. It gives me those vibes of this, and I thought this was so cute for Gabriel. It's just an acid wash like jumpsuit. It's very, very thin, so he won't be hot in it. And over the summer it's super thin, which is nice, so he can breathe. But and it has like little scrunched up ankles. Definitely looks pretty long, but I thought this was so cute. One more thing I picked up for Gabriel. I have a love for Crocs. I like always want to swear. What's wrong with me? I have a love for Crocs. Gabriel needed some. He needed to join the Croc family. So I got him these to start off with. They're just basic green and gray. I thought I liked the contrast of the green down here. They're so cute. This is my haul, you guys. I'm going to go figure out the other things that I need to do. We might check back in later today, and if so, you will see it. But if not, we'll check back in tomorrow when we are scrambling to get ready to go to the monster trucks. We're about to go downstairs. We're gonna go get a snack for me and Gabriel, and then we're just gonna chill out until it's time to leave. I have about 40 minutes until it's time to go, so when it's time to actually get out the door, it's like it's a crazy house. I can't, you know, like I can't pull out the camera. It's crazy. So checking with you guys later, or you guys will the next clip will probably be monster trucks or something. But talk to you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I did not know that my comments were disabled, but I fixed it so you guys can comment. Any feedback is great. I want this to be a little supportive community for moms and single parents alike, or parents in general, you know, because this is hard work. If you want to follow me on Twitter and on Instagram, my handle is right here. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.